is in the whole Valley Cheer and Dance on deck. And hailing from Las Vegas, this is the Las Vegas Elements.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Feel it in the air. The wind is taking
This is Windstorm. We came to blow you away. Best you stay out the way, or your team will pay. Cause we came to win today.
This is our year and our time is now. It's Junior 3, blue and black, and we're the best of round. So you can move out the way, cause #1 is our place. Windstorm blowing competition away. Las Vegas.
Don't waste your affection, tears of
Elements.
someone in need. It's way too late. I'm closing the door.
Windstorm.
It's all time. So much better without you. I won't be sorry for don't you?
Yeah, all we do is hit you with that black and blue.
This windstorm will knock you out. Going hard, that's what we're about. Make the crowd scream and shout, we're going all out. We will win this bout. To the top is the route for the blue and black. We're champs, no doubt.
Windstorm.
You must not know about me. You must not know about me.
LVE. Personalities larger than life, our talent's enormous. And Las Vegas takes their breath away with every performance. Let's go fight to the finish. Want a piece of this? Come and get it. Do what you want, but make no mistake, Windstorm will never break. Las Vegas Elements.
Las Vegas Elements.